AI is a very powerful tool to help you with that. It's not about straight automation, but it is about helping the frontline or the information worker where it makes sense and where it can be automated. Being able to make those calls, specific use cases across the manufacturing and supply chain processes will be something that will keep you ahead of this curve and make you very competitive. And in order to simplify this, Microsoft basically have simplified our solution areas. So we have an AI business solutions team, we have the cloud and AI platforms team, and obviously with more and more data-driven insights coming from AI, we want to have a solid zero-trust framework with our security solutions. So that's how we approach the market when it comes to manufacturing and supply chain. For those of you who attended the Hanover Messe that just completed this year, we kind of looked at what we call as an industrial AI. The industrial AI model is basically where all artificial intelligence can be applied to a typical frontier manufacturer. If you look at, we normally talk about operational data and then information data, OT and IT, right? But there is a third element to it, which is the engineering side of it, how you are, coming to a concept of an idea and then converting into a design. So the whole engineering aspect of it is an area that's ripe for AI innovation. So that's one domain that we look at from an industrial AI perspective. The second is once the concept becomes a product, how do you deploy it and make it feasible from a production perspective? So bringing AI to the shop floor is a second dimension where you can look at use cases. And third is we talked about the employee experiences. With an aging workforce in manufacturing, a lot of knowledge that has been built over years is walking away. So being able to provide the tools that capture this knowledge and enable the onboarding of new workers is another area where AI can be a good companion for you. And last but not the least, the entire process, the OT, IT, and ET data can be harvested for insights from end-to-end manufacturing and supply chain perspective. So those are the four dimensions